welcome back to my channel Raising Health, and I'm Colleen the Coach. Okay, so it's that time of the month and it's recipe time. So I'm super excited, guys, because today I'm gonna try and show you how to make avocado chocolate mousse. So this is vegan. I use coconut milk and I use xylitol, so it's sugar-free. Guys, honestly and truly, this recipe is amazing. It'll change your life. If you're trying to, lose a little bit of weight or just get a bit healthier, I can honestly suggest that you go for this recipe. So let me show you how it is done. But before I get going, I just want to say thank you if you're watching this channel. I am here to teach you how to eat right for life. This is a teaching channel, and I'm really committed to just having a little bit of fun with you all and just, being on this journey together so we can all just march in the right direction and start making better choices around our food, around the quality of the food, because I'm all about honest nutrition and food that you can trust. I absolutely love food. Guys, I'm no chef, okay? I'm a health coach. So me here trying to show you how to make things is just really probably how you'd be making it at home yourself. And I want to also just show you how easy and simple it is. So this particular recipe, my avocado chocolate mousse recipe, when I first saw this recipe, I was like, whoa, like I just couldn't connect like chocolates, mousse and avocado into like one concept. But anyway, I made it and I was blown away. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I actually could not believe it. I must say, like I did in this recipe, I have added a little bit more of the cacao powder than what they initially asked for, because it just helps with that taste of avocado. Because I see avocado as like smashed avocado on toast, like a savory, and now you're taking your avocado and turning it into a sweet. So it's a little bit of a mindset adjustment, but I can promise you right now, you will not be sorry. Okay, so let me just call up my recipe here. Thank you so much for being here and watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please just push the subscribe button. That way, every week when I put a video out, you'll get a notification. Just push the notifications button and you'll get the notifications. And I can promise you, every single week, I will be teaching you something about how to eat right, how to live your best life, how to feel good. And really and truly, this is a very personal journey, eating right for life. And, I'm going to do everything in my power to make it easier for you. So now the thing is, everyone loves a sweet treat, okay? I particularly love a sweet treat. And I love chocolate as well. So, firstly, I needed to try and make this video yesterday, but that I could not find avocados that were ripe. So I had to get some, and luckily overnight, they seem to have ripened quite radically, I must say. So I've got 3 here. So I'm really hoping that they are good. Okay, so guys, I just want you to subscribe if you haven't. Please like, please share. If you know anyone who you think would enjoy this channel or would benefit from the information that I'm sharing with you, please don't hesitate. Pass this on. Share the love. Okay, let me get cracking. Okay, so this takes normally about 5 minutes to make, and it serves about 4 to 6 people. Okay, so all the information on this recipe will be down here in the contents. So let me get all super brave and see what is going on with these avocados. Okay, so guys, we need 2 ripe avocados. Okay, I think I'm going to, I don't know, with avos, hey, it's a guessing game, hey. So here is my NutriBullet. This machine is power on wheels, let me tell you. I love this thing. Okay, so let's go. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that. I can't believe it. How lucky did we get? Okay, we need 2. Please work. Ta-da! Okay, we got flippin' lucky. A little bit of rot on this one here. I kid you not, yesterday when I found these in the supermarket, they were rock hard, hey? So let me just get these pips out. Sorry guys, I'll be back. I really just wanted to do the avocados with you because you know, you just never know with these avos. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 2 avocados, and we know, guys, you all know how good avos are for you, hey? So I do want you to know that if you can get this into your lifestyle, this particular recipe, I promise you now, your children, your friends, your family, they will not even know that you have got them onto something really awesome and healthy. I can promise you that right now. You know, listen, guys, I'm in the middle of a move. I just want to just remind you, I am in the middle of a move. This is probably the only like little sane area of my entire world at the moment. This entire house is packed up in boxes. It is mayhem. So yeah, so this is going to be my, I think, you know, I've got one more to do for this month. I'm going to get that out as soon as possible, and then May is wrapped up. And I'm telling you guys that by the time we hit June, it's going to be so awesome, because in actual fact, I'm going to be filming my, oh, June, yes. So yeah, I promise you now, you know, my brain is completely overloaded with so much information at the moment. You know, it's quite hectic, you know, in the space of 18 months, I've moved, I've got married, I've started this awesome channel, I've had to apply for my green card. I mean, it has been crazy. Now we're moving. I just cannot wait to get to where I'm going, because I have got so many plans for us. I've got a crazy, beautiful studio, and we are going to make some magic there. Okay, back to the recipe, guys. So I've already just put all the ingredients into little containers so that I don't cause a commotion. Oopsie. Here we go. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. So we've got 1 tin of coconut milk, but I always try to use an organic brand. So just be quite conscious of that. We've got our, how much xylitol? 4 tablespoons of xylitol. And then we have our cacao powder, 6 tablespoons of cacao powder. Okay, are we ready? Seriously, guys, I'm not a chef. I'm just here trying to teach you and show you how easy it is to make delicious things. I am so sorry, that cacao powder went straight into my throat. Okay, let's get this machine going. I'm a little bit nervous, you know. Can you imagine if it just like took off and like bashed over my computer? Oh, let's do this. Telling you, I'm gonna have a little taste. Oh my gosh, honestly, this stuff is delicious. Man, this is good, guys. This is so good. You know, this is so easy that I'm actually like astounded once again. It doesn't cease to amaze me. Here we have the most delicious chocolate mousse, avocado chocolate mousse, vegan and sugar-free, and honestly, wow. And you see that it was just simple, a couple of ingredients, and straight into the blender, and voila. You know, so guys, do you remember last week, hopefully you watched the video on how to make 90-second peanut butter mug cake, right? So I needed to make one today. So I thought, let me just make it. And what we can do is, sorry guys, I am the world's worst in the kitchen. And I just thought, let me show you how you could do this. We could have, I mean, you've got your peanut butter mug cake. This peanut butter mug cake is amazing. It is literally, it's moist, it's delicious, it is phenomenal. look what we have here. We have some strawberries. Guess what Jim and I are having tonight for dessert? Look at this. Guys, seriously, chocolate mousse, avocado chocolate mousse with peanut butter mud cake. It is amazing. It is delicious. It actually is quite amazing how much it actually makes as well. I mean, this is just 2 avocados, you know. So, as you can see, look how easy it was. I mean, it literally took me, how long? Perhaps not even 5 minutes. Okay, it is that easy, guys. If you feel like a nice little sweet treat, or if you're having guests over, or you just want to, you know, experiment, please go for it. I'm serious, try this. It'll change your life. It'll definitely change your life. Whoa, okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, again, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. This is a free teaching channel and I'm here to teach you how to eat right for life. And honestly, you know, I'm going to grow this channel. I'm going to be doing some incredible things in the future. So watch the spot, guys, and I really want you to come along. I really and truly want you to come along. So if you've liked this video, like, share, comment, do your thing. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think. I'd really appreciate that. And also, guys, look down below. I'm going to do the, oh my goodness, I keep looking at this. How beautiful. I keep, down below, I'm going to put the peanut butter mud cake video so that you will know how to make that as well. And you can also do one of these, sugar-free, all the right fats. I'm going to stop now, guys, because I am so excited about this. Wow, okay, I'll see you again next week. Love you all madly, and I really and truly hope you give this a go. Thank you, guys.